Why your child needs church. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening po sa bawat isa. Ako si Pastor Wes at ito ang Magkape. Parents, honest question lang po ito. Kung tinuturuan naman natin ang mga anak natin ng good manners, pinaparal natin sila, binibigyan ng magandang buhay, at tinuturuan nating maging mabuting tao, kailangan pa ba talaga nilang pumunta ng church? Ang sagot natin dyan ay yes, but here's why. Hindi dahil perfect ang church, hindi dahil automatic na magiging mabuting Christian ang mga anak nyo kapag every Sunday siyang umattend. But because your child needs a community that will help point them to God. Yan yung devotion namin kanina sa Magkape. Nasa 1 Samuel chapter 27 na po kami. At doon namin nakita na si David na sobrang discouraged at fearful. Sabi niya sa verse 1 ng chapter 27 ng 1 Samuel, "One of these days, I will be destroyed by the hand of Saul." David had already experienced God's protection many times. Pero dahil sa fear and discouragement, gumagawa siya ng decision na lumayo at manirahan sa land ng Philistines. Now, think about this, parents. Hindi natin gustong matuto ang mga anak natin sa buhay through fear, pressure, or bad influences. Pero, here's the reality. We cannot be with our children every moment of their lives. Hindi natin sila makakasama sa school, hindi natin maririnig lahat ng conversations nila with friends, hindi natin makokontrol lahat ng nakikita nila online, and eventually, we won't be able to make every decisions for them. Kaya kailangan nilang matutong magtiwala sa Diyos for themselves. And this is where the local church becomes important. Tandaan niyo po ito. Because one day, your child will face a difficult decision. May pressure from friends, may failure, may heartbreak, may temptation, and you won't always be there to tell them what to do. Kaya nga, hindi lang natin dinadala sila sa church. We help them know Jesus, love Jesus, and learn to follow Jesus. Because our goal is not merely to raise good children, our goal is to help raise children who know and follow Christ. Kung may kakilala kang nagtatanong, paano ba talaga maligtas? Meron po akong link diyan sa description, i-copy mo yon at i-share sa kanya. Again, ako si Pastor Wes, na laging nagsasabing, be an inspiration at solution po. Ingat po kayo. God bless everyone.